Karachiites, young and old, converged at the Zamzama Park once again to thank those who had taken back the earlier decision of commercializing the only open space available in the area. Speaking on the occasion, Jubilant people holding placards and banners said,
मैं ख़ास तौर से इस मौके पर नाम लूँगा असलम संजरानी और इनके तमाम साथियों का जो मोहल्ले वाले हैं यहाँ पर जो पार्क में रोज़ाना यहाँ पर वॉक करते हैं। ये तमाम उन लोगों के बड़ा अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र है और करम है। और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि पाकिस्तान फ़ौज ने बहुत बड़ा हमारा साथ दिया है यहाँ के जो लोग हैं और ये एक बहुत अच्छा पार्क है। मैं समझता हूँ इतना अच्छा पार्क कराची में क्या मैंने कहीं पर भी नहीं देखा है।
This has been a dream come true. As you know already that this park was leased out to a contractor for commercial activities. Few months ago we stood here and we said, please restore our park to us. Our plea was, this is our park. All ages of people, women, children, they all come here to the park.
This is the only green area here for people like us, and they were going to finish it, commercialize it, make it crowded. Thank God that didn't happen.
I myself am a cavalry officer, and this is the decision which is well deserved to be appreciated.
I'm very pleased by the decision of the army and all. It's a very good park basically for the adults, for the kids and everyone. So I'm very happy that they have reversed this decision.